because of the size of the videos, this is two rides, Lake Harris Hideaway and Treasure Camp. Today's ride, we're going to Lake Harris Hideaway. This is a pretty cool little restaurant. It's back to one of those restaurants that has that nostalgic look. It's on the water, and they always have a one-man band playing that sounds pretty good. We left Williston Crossing, came down here, and then around here, these are all back roads after we get off 40. That's we'll end up with 182nd Avenue. That is a sweet road, and they have just repaved it, so it's nice and smooth. We came down here, cut across, and there's the Hideaway. Now, when we went back, we came around here, but we didn't go to the Gator Harley. We came up here and then went on back, and right in here, this spot shows 102 miles, and it was a nice little ride. You'll enjoy it. But these roads, especially 314A, 182, and some of these roads right here are really cool. They're little roads in this section. This building here is the closest of any building that I know of that's to the road. So let's take a look at this. Here we go. Going to Street View. Well, you can see right here what I mean. It's close to the road, and you will see it on the video. Now, just a quick note, here is our true GPX route that we took. And one thing to tell you here is in this area I stopped, so that's why it was lower mileage. The whole trip for us was really 191 miles. And like I said, I will have this on our webpage after the video comes out. Okay, let's get on with the ride. This place is really neat, and you can see what I'm talking about with that rustic, on the water, all wood. I mean, check this marina out. There's people coming out here from boats. There's people coming out here in cars. It was full in the parking lot. And motorcycles, there was plenty of them as you step out here in the parking lot. Now, this is in the beginning when I took the video. When we left, it got crowded. And it's a shame that I can't put the audio going on right now. They got a one-man band playing. He is good. And one of the songs I had to take out of this while doing the video was Seminole Wind. And I'll tell you, he was playing a lot of John Anderson and a lot of country songs, and it's one of them places after you ate, you just wanted to sit in a hammock somewhere and listen to the music. But it's definitely a great place to check out. You need to. was showing you the route. Remember that house that's right by the road? Check this out. That's tight, man. Very cool, I think. Right here, we're on the outskirts of Ocala and we're saying our goodbyes. Well, Tammy and Biggums, they're down here visiting from North Carolina, and we had one last day of riding. And we had to take Marcia's bike up to Gainesville Harley. So we left Williston Crossing, took these back roads on up here, got to Gainesville Harley Davidson. After we got there, I said, hey, let's go on to Treasure Camp. That'd be a neat place. Again, rustic Florida restaurant on the water, really cool. So we headed down towards Trenton 129, took all these back roads, and right in here is where Treasure Camp's at. And the only problem was I knew they were closed one weekday, I just didn't know it was today. We ended up at another place we always go to, is 83 West, and we ended up eating there, and after that we headed on home back to the RV park, and it was a nice little ride, a whole 143 miles. Well, here's the ride. I gotta say, we got a lot of nice little towns for you to check out when you come down here to the crossing. This one here is Newberry, and then you got Trenton, and you also got Chiefland, Cross City. I mean, it just goes on. Then you go the other direction, High Springs. We got some of the nicest riding areas and great little towns and restaurants to check out. All the times for this place to be closed, and I wish it was open today. I wanted to show Biggums and Tammy another neat restaurant right on the Swanee on this one, but on the water like the others, rustic, that old Florida country atmosphere. This is a place to check out, and we always enjoy it coming here. Treasure Camp, and I forgot that they're closed on Mondays. Neat little store and restaurant, and this here reminds me of that song Sign Says. Plenty of signs here. But this is it. The first portion of this is country store, and then you get to the back part and it's feeding time. It's a nice restaurant. Good food. We've been here many a times. Not on a Monday again. Now, most likely, before we leave Williston Crossing, we'll probably make another trip out here to Treasure Camp. But even though they're closed, I was walking around and getting some pictures to show the outside area what it looks like. This one here reminds me with all the signs, the song sign says. Anyway, there's river and everything. Bigums sure makes that chair look small. And again, I just wish they were open. On with the ride. Big one.
What are we doing?
Just smile. It's video, but I pulled pictures off it. What are you doing, baby?
Well, I thought you were taking a picture.
No, with all of us. I'm trying to get us all in here. I'll see what it looks like. Now I got to smile. Hey. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's motorcycle trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?